The 10 best standing workout for women lose 5 kilograms in just 14 days. Ready to lose 5 kilograms in just 14 days without any floor exercises. This standing workout is perfect for burning fat, toning your body, and boosting your energy. No equipment needed, just your motivation and a little space. Let's crush it together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing workouts. Now let's get moving. 1. Jumping jacks. Alright, it's go time. We're kicking off this workout with the one and only jumping jacks, the perfect move to fire up your entire body. This isn't just a warm-up, this is where you spark your inner powerhouse. Every jump is taking you closer to that 5 kilograms goal, so bring that energy. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your side, and let's move feet out, arms up. Feel that energy surge through you like electricity. Keep those movements big, powerful, and precise. Stay light on your feet, engage that core, and keep your eyes on the prize. Imagine shaking off every bit of doubt and jumping straight into the strongest, fiercest version of you. Visualize your success with every move. Picture the healthier, happier version of you, and believe in that vision. Halfway there, but we're just getting started. This is where champions push harder. Feel that heart racing. That's your body turning into a calorie-torching, fat-burning machine. Push through that fire and keep those jumps strong. Visualize that powerful, unstoppable version of yourself and jump your way right into it. Don't hold back, each jump is a step closer to your dream, so let's make every one count. Form is everything, let's perfect it. Keep your knees soft, land gently, and keep your core locked in. Your arms should stay strong and controlled, no floppy movements here. If you're just starting out, take it at your own pace, step it out if you need to. And if you're ready for a challenge, let's dial up the speed and take this to beast mode. Want an extra burn? Try adding small weights in your hands or go for maximum speed while keeping perfect form. Feel that difference. That's growth happening right now. You're absolutely crushing it. I see that effort, and trust me, that effort. It's transforming you right now. Visualize those goals, that strong, energized, unstoppable you. It's all happening right here, right now. Don't stop, keep pushing. Think about why you started. Whether it's weight loss, strength, or confidence, stay focused on that goal and let it drive you forward. You've got this. This is it, the final push. Let's go all out, faster, stronger, bigger jumps. Leave everything on the mat. 3, 2, 1, boom. You did it. Feel that power. That's your body leveling up and your goals getting closer. Take a deep breath, grab some water, and stay ready, because this is just the beginning. And remember, every time you show up like this, you're building a stronger, better you. Consistency is where the magic happens. 2. Squat to knee lift. Alright, warriors, let's keep this energy flowing. Next up, squat to knee lift, a killer combo move that fires up your legs, glutes, and core all at once. If you're serious about torching calories and sculpting that body, this move is your best friend. Let's get into it. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and core tight. Sit back into a deep squat, feel those glutes engage. Now as you rise, lift your right knee up towards your chest, engaging those abs. Back down into the squat, then lift the left knee. Keep that rhythm going. This isn't just a leg workout, this is a full body fat burner. Halfway there. Stay strong and focused. Every squat strengthens your legs and every knee lift tightens your core. Visualize the results: stronger thighs, tighter abs, and unstoppable confidence. Let's go, let's grow. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted, no slouching. Sink deep into that squat, and when you lift your knee, engage those abs like you mean it. Need to modify? Take a shallower squat. Want more challenge? 3. Standing side crunches. Let's keep this momentum going with standing side crunches, a move that sculpts your waist and strengthens your core. Ready to feel the burn? Let's do this. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, hands behind your head. Now bring your right elbow down while lifting your right knee up toward it, squeeze those obliques. back to center, then switch sides. Keep it controlled and focused. Feel that core working with every rep. Halfway there, don't slow down now. Keep those movements tight and powerful. Visualize a stronger, more defined waistline. You're building it right now. Stay in the zone and let's finish strong. Engage your core the entire time, no leaning forward. Keep your chest up, your back straight, and really crunch those obliques. Want more intensity? Speed it up, but keep that form perfect. You're unstoppable. Every crunch brings you closer to your goals. Tighter abs, a stronger core, and next level confidence. Keep pushing, you're doing amazing. Last few reps, make them your best. Higher knees, stronger crunches, leave nothing behind. 3, 2, 1, boom. You nailed it. Catch your breath, grab some water, and get ready for what's next. 4. Reverse lunge with front kick. Let's turn up the heat with this next powerhouse move, reverse lunge with front kick. This is a total body sculptor that targets your legs, glutes, and core while adding some serious balance and coordination work. Ready? Let's crush it. Start standing tall, feet hip width apart, core tight. Step your right foot back into a deep lunge, sink low, and keep that front knee aligned. Now power up, driving your right knee forward and extending into a strong front kick. Back down into that lunge, then repeat. Feel that burn. That's strength being built. Halfway there, you're doing amazing. Stay focused and controlled. With every lunge, your legs get stronger. With every kick, your core gets tighter. Visualize the results: toned legs, powerful core, unstoppable you. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight throughout. Sink deep into that lunge, and when you kick, imagine breaking through every barrier standing between you and your goals. Want to level up? Add a little hop as you kick for explosive power. You're absolutely killing it. That effort. It's creating the strongest version of you. Stay in the fight, every rep counts. Last few reps, give me your all. Deeper lunges, stronger kicks. 3, 2, 1, boom. You just leveled up. Grab some water, catch your breath, and get ready for what's next. 5. Standing oblique twists. Alright, let's carve that waist and fire up those obliques with standing oblique twists. This move is all about control, power, and engagement. Ready to shape and tone? Let's go. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, core braced. Bring your hands up by your ears, elbows wide. Now twist your torso, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee, crunch that core. Return to center and switch sides. Feel that squeeze. That's your waist getting sculpted. Halfway there, keep that energy up. Twist with intention and control. The more you engage your core, the better the results. Picture that toned, defined waist you're working for. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward. The movement comes from your core, not your arms or legs. Want to intensify? Speed it up while keeping perfect form. You're crushing this. That burn. That's your body transforming. Stay strong, you're getting closer to your goal with every twist. Final round, give me everything you've got. Bigger twists, tighter crunches. 3, 2, 1, done. Take a breath, grab some water, and get ready for more. 6. Calf raises with arm pulses. Let's sculpt those calves and fire up those arms with calf raises with arm pulses. This move brings that full body burn, tones your lower legs, and adds an extra cardio boost with those fast-paced pulses. Ready to feel the heat? Let's go. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, core engaged. Rise onto the balls of your feet, squeezing your calves at the top. As you lift, pulse your arms up and down with control, small tight movements for maximum burn. Lower back down with control and repeat. Feel those calves firing up. That's how you know it's working. Halfway there, keep pushing. Let's make those pulses even sharper and those calf raises even higher. Imagine yourself walking stronger, standing taller, because that's what you're building right now. Form check, keep your core tight, shoulders relaxed and arms strong. Don't just wave those arms, control those pulses like you own them. And when you rise up, squeeze those calves like you mean it. Want an extra challenge? Hold light weights or pulse faster, but keep it controlled. You're on fire. That burn. It's the sign you're getting stronger and closer to your goals. Stay in it, you've got this. Final push, let's pulse faster and lift higher. 3, 2, 1, done. Feel that? That's progress happening right now. Grab some water and get ready for the next move, we're just getting started. 7. Side leg lifts. Time to target those hips and outer thighs with side leg lifts. Stand tall, core engaged, hands on your hips or out for balance. Lift your right leg out to the side, keeping it straight and controlled, then lower it back down without touching the floor. Feel that burn. That's your legs sculpting and strengthening. Switch legs and keep that focus. Every lift makes your lower body more toned and powerful. Stay strong, stay steady. Control is key. Avoid leaning, keep your upper body tall and your core tight. Lift with your outer thigh, not just momentum. Add ankle weights for an extra challenge. I see you pushing through, and that effort. It's paying off. Keep lifting, keep believing you're unstoppable. Last 10 seconds, higher, stronger. Let's finish with power. 3, 2, 1, done. You crushed it. 8. Skaters. Let's pick up the pace with skaters. This move brings the cardio, balance and leg strength all in one. Leap side to side, landing softly and reaching your opposite hand toward your foot. Stay low, keep your core engaged, and push off with power. Let's glide like champions. Feel that rhythm. Every leap builds strength and burns fat, you're creating momentum and power with each move. Let's stay quick and light on our feet. Form check. Keep your back flat, chest up, and land gently to protect those joints. Push off explosively and control your landings, it's all about precision and power. Need an extra challenge? Go deeper in that squat and pick up the pace. You're doing amazing. Every push-off makes you stronger, faster, and more unstoppable. Stay focused, you're bringing that energy, and it's paying off. Final 10 seconds, faster, bigger jumps. Let's end with power. 3, 2, 1, done. Feel that heart pounding. That's your body getting stronger. 9. Standing butt kicks. Ready to turn up the heat even more? Let's get into standing butt kicks. This move is amazing for firing up those hamstrings, boosting your heart rate, and torching those calories. Stand tall, bring your heels up toward your glutes, and keep that pace quick and controlled. Pump those arms and let's go. Feel that burn. That's your body getting leaner and stronger with every kick. Stay light on your feet, keep that energy high, and don't slow down now, you're doing incredible. Quick form check. Keep your chest up, core tight, and kick those heels up without leaning forward. Stay strong and keep that rhythm going. Want a challenge? Add small hops or hold light weights for extra intensity. You're smashing this. Every kick takes you one step closer to your goals. Feel that progress, you're unstoppable. Keep pushing. Last 10 seconds, let's pick up that speed. Kick higher, move faster, finish strong. 3, 2, 1, boom. You crushed it. 10. Power march with overhead reach. Let's finish this workout with unstoppable energy. Power march with overhead reach is all about raising that heart rate, engaging your core, and working those arms and legs in perfect harmony. Lift those knees high and reach those arms up like you're reaching for your goals, because you are. Feel that fire building. That's your body transforming. Keep those knees high, arms strong, and pace steady. Every march takes you closer to your goals. Imagine pulling success down from the sky with every reach, visualize it, believe it, make it happen. Form check, stand tall, keep your core tight, and drive those knees up without leaning back. Reach high with energy, feel that full body engagement. Want an extra challenge? Add light weights or speed up the march. Let's take it up a notch. You're bringing the heat. Every step forward is a step toward your strongest self. Don't stop now. Stay focused, stay powerful, you've got this. Visualize that finish line and march your way right to victory. Final 10 seconds, let's power up. Faster, higher, stronger. Push through that last bit of burn because that's where the magic happens. 3, 2, 1, done. You did it. Feel that strength. That's your dedication paying off. If you felt the burn, don't forget to smash that like button and share this workout with a friend. And if you're ready for more, check out my other fat burning and toning workouts right here. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Stay strong, stay consistent, and keep shining.